Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: Hedgehog Manager installed, admin privileges granted, and the runtime components present. Next, import or create your target inventory file with host names, IPs, and credentials. This speeds deployment. Once done, enable remote access on each machine, SSH for Linux or WinRM for Windows, and open ports 22 or 5985. Make sure to run quick connectivity tests from Hedgehog to confirm reachability before proceeding. If any host fails, address network or credential issues now. You now build the operational flow. Pick a workflow template or craft one that matches your task, then set variables, secrets, and concurrency limits so runs don't overload systems. Once configured, deploy the Hedgehog agent. Either use the manager's installer package or push via SSH/WinRM and watch the installation logs for success codes. After agents register, tag hosts with roles or environments for precise targeting. Then schedule or trigger a test run, observing task progress and resource metrics to validate behavior before wider rollout. You finish by executing full validation jobs to confirm deployments match expected baselines, reviewing results and resource usage. Once satisfied, harden the system, lock down credentials, rotate keys, and export audit logs for compliance. Make sure automated backups and alerting are enabled. If things go wrong, start with one key troubleshooting tip. Inspect the agent logs on the affected host, then verify network reachability and that workflow variables were passed correctly. Rerun the failing step after fixing the root cause to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.